Hi, welcome to Copycat.
Detect floating point number. Let's go through the question first. Here we are taking integer t as a number of test cases. In the next line, we are taking the based on the t value the number of test cases where we have to check if each string is a float value or not. If it's a float value, we have to return as true. If it's not a float value, we have to return as false. Let's go start coding. Okay. First, let's import this module ORI, and then next define a function called is valid float, which take s as an argument string. Let's define the regular expression pattern. Starts give plus and minus in this square brackets. It checks if words contain plus or minus. Question mark. Next we give define 0 1 if it checks if the string contain 0 1 or more digits between 0 to 9. Next we define for every float value the dot has to be present. So that's why we are defining for. Next it only if it's a float value, if, after the dot we have the digits again. So that's why plus dollar. Okay. Let's return the boolean value match pattern. Yes. Let's define t to take integer t as input. Define a for loop to iterate through each test case. Define a variable called num string to read the test case every time the for loop iterates. Okay. And next print if the float value or not a float value. Let's call the function here is valid float, and argument as and string. Okay, let's run and see if it's there are any errors.